Welcome to another episode on Boulevard Bites broadcast. Today, we're taking a culinary detour to the world of fast food, but with a healthy twist. We're going to walk you through 5 delicious recipes that bring together the convenience of fast food and the benefits of nutritious ingredients. These are perfect for those days when you're short on time, but still want to eat healthily. So without further ado, let's dive into our first recipe. Our first recipe is the delicious and nutritious chicken wrap. This all-round crowd pleaser is not just mouth-wateringly tasty, but it's also a great option if you're looking for a healthier alternative to your usual fast food fare. So let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what you'll need. Ingredients for this recipe are simple and fresh. You'll need some boneless, skinless chicken breasts, your favorite blend of spices for seasoning, whole grain tortillas, and a colorful array of veggies. Think crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, crunchy cucumbers, and don't forget some ripe avocados for that creamy goodness. Now, onto the preparation. Begin by seasoning your chicken breasts. Feel free to get creative here. Use your favorite spice blend to really make it your own. Once your chicken is seasoned to perfection, it's time to grill it until it's deliciously golden and cooked through. While your chicken is sizzling away, you can start preparing your veggies. Slice them up nice and thin, that way they'll add a delightful crunch to every bite. And don't forget to scoop out some of that creamy avocado. Once your chicken is grilled to perfection, it's time to assemble the wrap. Lay out your whole grain tortilla and start by spreading a layer of avocado on it. This will act as a delicious creamy base. Next, layer on your grilled chicken and top it off with your freshly sliced veggies. Now here's a little tip. Before you roll up your wrap, add a squeeze of lime. Not only does it add a zesty kick, but it also helps to bring out the flavors of all the other ingredients. And there you have it. Roll up your tortilla, slice it down the middle, and you're ready to dig in. The result is a wrap that's both nutritious and packed with flavor. A healthy choice that doesn't compromise on taste. And there you have it, a healthy chicken wrap in just a few simple steps. Enjoy this delicious meal on the go or savor it in the comfort of your home. Either way, it's a recipe that's sure to become a staple in your kitchen. Stay tuned for more tasty recipes from Boulevard Bites broadcast. Moving on, our second recipe is a vibrant and tasty quinoa salad. This salad is an amalgamation of flavors that will leave your taste buds wanting more. So, what do we need for this scrumptious salad? First and foremost, we need quinoa, the hero of our dish. Quinoa, for those who might not be familiar, is a grain crop that is high in protein, making it a fantastic choice for a healthy meal. Next, we need fresh vegetables. You can go for a mix of bell peppers, cucumbers, and cherry tomatoes. They bring in the crunch and color to our salad. A handful of chopped cilantro for that fresh, herby punch. And last but not least, we need a mix of lemon juice, olive oil, garlic, and salt for our dressing. Now, let's dive into the process. Start by cooking the quinoa. Rinse it under cold water, then boil it in a saucepan with double the amount of water. Let it simmer until the quinoa is tender and the water is absorbed. This should take about 15 minutes. Once the quinoa is cooked, fluff it with a fork and let it cool. While the quinoa is cooling, chop your veggies. The size of the pieces is entirely up to you, but try to keep them uniform for the best eating experience. Next, prepare your dressing. Mix together the lemon juice, olive oil, minced garlic, and salt. Whisk it until it's well combined. Now it's time to assemble our salad. In a large bowl, combine the cooled quinoa, chopped vegetables, and cilantro. Pour the dressing over the top and give it a good toss until everything is well coated. And there you have it. A refreshing quinoa salad that's not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. The quinoa provides a good dose of protein, fiber, and iron, while the veggies offer a variety of vitamins and antioxidants. This salad is a great way to get a balanced meal that's quick and easy to make. That's how you whip up a quick and nutritious quinoa salad. Next up, we have a crowd favorite, the veggie burger. Let's begin by gathering our ingredients. For the burger patties, we'll need a cup of cooked quinoa, a can of black beans, a half cup of breadcrumbs, a clove of garlic, a chopped onion, a handful of fresh cilantro, and a dash of your favorite spices. For the assembly, you'll need a couple of whole grain burger buns, some fresh lettuce, a ripe tomato, a red onion, a couple of pickles, and a dollop of your preferred sauce. Let's dive right into the preparation. Start by mashing the black beans in a large bowl until they're smooth. Then, add in the cooked quinoa, breadcrumbs, chopped garlic, onion, cilantro, and your spices. Mix everything together until it forms a nice, firm mixture. If it's too dry, you can add a little water. If it's too moist, add more breadcrumbs. Once you've achieved the perfect consistency, shape the mixture into burger patties. While you're shaping your patties, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's up to temperature, place your patties on a baking sheet and bake them for about 20 minutes, flipping halfway through. You're looking for a crispy exterior and a firm, cooked-through interior. While the patties are baking, you can prepare your burger assembly. Slice your tomato and red onion, rinse and dry your lettuce, and get your pickles and sauce ready. When the patties are done baking, let them cool for a few minutes. Then, assemble your veggie burgers. Start with the bun, add your patty, then your lettuce, tomato, onion, pickles, and top it off with your sauce. Put the other half of the bun on top, and there you have it. This veggie burger is a fantastic, healthier alternative to traditional fast food burgers. It's packed with plant-based protein from the quinoa and black beans, and it's full of flavor from the fresh veggies and spices. Voila! Your healthy veggie burger is ready to be served. Our fourth recipe is a healthier spin on a fast food classic, baked sweet potato fries. For this recipe, you'll need a handful of ingredients. Start with 2 large sweet potatoes. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a half teaspoon of salt, and a half teaspoon of black pepper. To spice things up, we'll add a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika and, for a hint of sweetness, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Begin by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven is heating up, peel your sweet potatoes. Once peeled, cut them into sticks, about 1/4 inch wide and 3 inches long. You want them to resemble the classic shape of a French fry. Next, in a large mixing bowl, combine the sweet potato sticks, olive oil, salt, pepper, paprika, and cinnamon. Toss everything together until the fries are evenly coated with the mixture. Then spread the fries out in a single layer on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake in your preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the fries are crispy and golden brown. Be sure to flip the fries once at the halfway point to ensure they bake evenly. While our fries are baking, let's talk about why this recipe is a healthier alternative to the traditional French fry. Sweet potatoes are a great source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They're high in antioxidants that help protect your body from free radical damage and chronic diseases. Plus, they're lower in calories and carbs than regular potatoes, making them a great choice for those looking to maintain a healthy diet. After 25 minutes, remove your fries from the oven. Let them cool for a few minutes before serving. These fries are perfect on their own, or you can pair them with your favorite dipping sauce for an extra burst of flavor. There you have it, crispy and delicious sweet potato fries without the guilt. Enjoy this healthier spin on a fast food favorite and stay tuned for more recipes from Boulevard Bites broadcast. And for the finale, we have a sweet treat, banana ice cream. A dessert that's not only delicious, but also a healthier alternative to the traditional ice cream. This dreamy dessert requires only 3 ingredients: ripe bananas, a touch of honey, and a splash of vanilla extract. Start by peeling and chopping 4 ripe bananas and freezing them for at least 2 hours, preferably overnight. Once frozen, place them in a food processor and pulse until they have a crumbly texture. Add a tablespoon of honey for some natural sweetness and a teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic ice cream flavor. Continue to blend until it's smooth and creamy, just like traditional ice cream. Now for the best part, serving it up. You can enjoy it immediately for a soft serve consistency or freeze it for a couple of hours for a more firm texture. And that's how you make a creamy and healthy banana ice cream. And there we have it, 5 healthy fast food recipes that you can whip up at home. We've journeyed through the flavorful realms of a healthy chicken wrap, a vibrant quinoa salad, a hearty veggie burger, some irresistible baked sweet potato fries, and ended on a sweet note with banana ice cream. We invite you to try these recipes, savor the flavors, and share your culinary adventures with us. Thanks for tuning in to Boulevard Bites broadcast. Stay tuned for more delicious recipes and tips.